Welcome to another Simple Dad Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to add sound to your Instagram notes. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So this is a new update on Instagram where you can now add sound or music to your Instagram notes. So you can basically personalize it more. So let me show you how to do this on Instagram. So before we begin with Instagram, you want to first go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and update your Instagram app to the latest version. Once that is updated, go ahead and open the app. Now on your Instagram app, you want to go ahead and tap on the DM icon here at the top right. Now to add a new note, you want to go ahead and tap on the plus sign. And now you can go ahead and share a thought. And now once you've shared your thought, at the bottom here, you'll see the music icon. So to add a music to this note, you want to go ahead and tap on this music icon here. Now from here, you can go ahead and select a song. You can browse the song, or you can do a search. Now once you've selected a song, you can go ahead and swipe left and right to choose which part of the song you like. Instagram will suggest you the part which is trending at the moment, as you can see there. And once you're happy with that, go ahead and tap on done. Now to share it, just tap on share at the top right. And this will now share your Instagram note with the music. So to confirm that the music is there, tap on it. And you'll see here, you'll see your note or your thought, which is editing. And just above that, you'll see the music which is attached to that note. And there you go, that is how to add sound to your Instagram notes. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.